Hello, welcome to week 2 of summer school, and a special shout out to all the fathers out there. I want to wish you a happy Father's Day. I'm actually on my way to go visit my own father. Looking forward to that and cherishing whatever time I have left with him. It's really going to be a fun day, so happy Father's Day. I just want to now talk a little bit about week 2 and how we will be shifting into outline based, or what they call extemporaneous based speeches, where from here on out, you'll be using a keyword outline to present your speeches. So we're going to start this process where you're going to look at this assignment for the outline. You're going to look at a student sample speech, and then the cool thing that I think is really nice for people is you're going to be able to jump into a peer group with just 5 or 6 other classmates and exchange topic ideas just among 5 or 6 of you in your own time. And that's a really low stakes part of this assignment, where it just gives you that student to student contact. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of, you can read all this stuff on your own, but as usual, you'll want to be glancing at the overview that just tells you, there's just a to-do list of all the things that you need to do and what you're going to learn. And that's really just to help keep you on track. I hope you've been okay with my little reminders of things that are due, and you can always find them in the calendar too. But that's just a nice little overview. You always want to just see that and the stuff in your calendar. And again, this week, the instructional content is broken up into a few different parts because it's summer school. So in this first part, you'll actually get to see how the basic speech components work together. And something I just kind of think is interesting is that for your speech that's going to be due this week, while there's an outline and everything for it, you won't have to research this first speech. You're just going to get used to the structure. So you guys have already done a really nice job of telling your stories. And again, I look forward to watching the rest of your videos come in later tonight. They've been great, but now instead of just doing that, you're going to use structure to talk about an event that changed your life. But for this first week, you don't have to research. So you'll be able to see that I've included a little instructional video for and a student outline sample, but you're going to make up your own keyword outline, and you're going to use that outline to present your speech. So there's a rubric here for that. And then you'll also be able to see, before you jump into your peer groups, the actual Life Change speech assignment. And then I am thrilled because this woman you see in your screen, her name is Ting, and she gave me permission to show her great speech. So you're going to see a student-generated sample that should really help you, and then a nice full description of the assignment. But the really cool thing about this, and you're all going to be posting these on Sunday. So just like the last speech, you'll see the rubric for it here. You'll get your comments for it here, but you'll end up posting it somewhere else, as you'll see. But this is the last thing I just wanted to call your attention to, and this is the peer groups. So Canvas automatically generated peer groups for your class. You'll be with 5 or 6 other people in this class, and it'll just give you a place to exchange ideas, student to student. So you're going to throw out a couple different things that you're thinking of. The directions are right here. They're really clear. This is completely low stakes, and it's just like a regular discussion. So if you're the first person to throw out your topics, you just hit reply like a normal discussion. But that discussion won't go to the whole class, only to your peers. So it's actually kind of nice, and it's a place where you'll be able to just work together and interact student to student and bounce ideas off each other. So that's really essentially what that is. But you'll have directions for all of this stuff, and you won't you won't need to worry. It's all there. From here on out, though, in this class, you'll definitely be doing speeches from outlines. You'll get into peer groups and this. So if you just kind of go back, actually, I'm just going to go back and take you back into this module. you'll see that there's a little instructional content and there's different due dates. The outline that you're going to be trusting yourself to use to present your speech is going to be due on the Thursday, and then the speech will be due to be posted on Sunday. And of course, remember, you can always jump into Zoom on that Thursday. We had an awesome group do that, so you can do that. That's really cool too. But this is all the stuff. And then there's even tips on providing feedback this time, because you'll be also providing feedback. So really, I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of an overview that the process is going to be a little bit different from here on out. Once you understand the outline format, it'll be easy. The peer groups should be nice. And then this 1 week, you won't have to do any research. You're just going to get familiar with the structure and talk about an event that changed your life. So once you read through it, you'll really get it, but just a little basic overview. I'm looking forward to watching the rest of your videos later today. And I'm right now really looking forward to hanging out with my 89-year-old father. And, of course, very happy the Warriors won. So you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. And again, have a great Father's Day. Bye-bye.